was flow. Everything is about flow. Try to visualize our factory as a flowing river. And we want the water just flowing, so we're going to put the part on the canoe and it's going to flow down the river. Well, then what we discovered is when we were batching is the canoe would start floating down the river and then it would just get into a back eddy and just sit here and just not go anywhere. Does that make sense?
A water spider refers to a specific person whose main job is to take care of recurrent tasks, such as supplying materials at workstation and meeting occasional needs around the plant. Similar to the assistance provided to a medical surgeon, the water spider enables the performance of value-added tasks with no distractions. The role of a water spider in manufacturing is often confused with somebody who simply handles material. However, in a lean manufacturing layout, a water spider must be fully knowledgeable of the process or work cells they support. In other words, a water spider does not just pick up and drop off materials, but instead is the go-to person for out-of-cycle tasks. For example, a water spider can supply raw materials and parts, transport finished goods away from the work area, remove waste, move Kanban cards, update status board, pack materials to be taken away, replace tools, help with changeovers, and keep an eye on less experienced workers. A water spider needs to make sure that the production flow is not interrupted and the workers are only devoted to value-added tasks. They should visit the workstations and operators in the same order and at a similar intervals. The speeds and frequency of their rounds should be based on the processing needs. Water spider is mizusumashi in Japanese. It means make water cleaner. While some floor manager might feel the urge to put a less skilled worker in this position, this is not a good idea. In order for water spiders to really boost productivity, they need to have an in-depth understanding of the whole production process. They must be able to read the whole workspace. Here are some important requirements for the job. Knowledgeable of all production processes, extensive work experience, good working relationship with management, able to promptly raise issues.